A great piece of functionality available with Orca Maps is the Lightning Component, which can be easily utilized by adding it to the Lightning record page on your desired object. So this can be found on the list of components on the left-hand side of the page, shown here. So you can simply utilize this, dragging it to the desired location on the Lightning record page. Just make sure it's dragged over. So once this happens, you can simply see it on the page and save it. Once added and saved record page, you can see the Google Maps available, the object on the record, and you can also see nearby geocoded records also available on the record. Thanks for your time.